Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create the pre-order transversal, the post-order transversal, and the get height method of a binary tree. In the previous video we were able to create the insert node and then the in-order transversal method, which is this one here. We created a node class, and then we created these methods here. So in this particular episode we are going to be creating the in-order, the pre-order, post-order, and the get height methods of the tree. So without not much further ado, let's start. So here I will add the pre-order method, pre-order private node pointer root, and then void post order private node pointer root, and then the get height method to be int get height private node pointer, let's call it node. Now to access this private method, we create these helper methods here. Call this pre-order void post order and void get height. So we will use these helper methods to get the private methods to access them. So here we will create these functions, then this one, so now we have them here. So now the pre-order private, what we do here, first of all we check if the tree is empty, root is equals to null pointer, and then return. If the tree is empty, then return else. This is the pre-order first of all, so to print out the data to the console initially, and then it will recursively call itself pre-order private root root left, then pre-order private root right. So it will first of all go to the traverse the left side of the tree, and then it will traverse the right side of the tree. So here, let me bring this here for polarity's sake, and then this helper method will be used to access the private method. So the pre-order helper method will be here. So it will simply call the private method pre-order private, take a parameter of root. So here in the post order we check if the tree is empty, and then we'll return if true, else we will call it recursively post order private root to first traverse the left side of the tree and then traverse the right side of the tree. Those are the private root right, and then it will print out the data. Like so. Now this is it, and then I will bring in the helper method here to access the private post order method. So all it does is to just call the function private, then it takes a parameter of the root. Now the get height. The get height method will check if the tree is empty, and if it's positive, then it will return 0. Else, it will calculate the height of the left side. Left 3 is equal to root is equal to get height, because simply get height private root left, and then int right 3 equal to get height root right, and then int total equal to 1 plus. So you add 1 to the marks of left side, left 3 and right 3. So we will return the total. So here is it, and then we'll use the helper method to print it out. So all it does is to call the get height method. Get height private root. So here is it. We're able to create the preorder function, and then the helper method for the preorder, the post order function, and then the helper method, and then the get tree height. First of all, we check if the tree is empty, and then if it's not, we'll traverse the left side, traverse the right side, and then add 1 to the total, to the max, depending on which is higher, and then return the total. So here is it, and then let's go to the main function and try to print what we have done so far. So right now, let's save and then print. So this is the in order that we have from before, and now let's add the post order t1 dot preorder, also t1 dot post order, and then t1 dot get height for the get height method. So we're gonna comment this, and then here we'll say, we just add some space, count for easy readability. Let's add these spaces here. And here as well. Now save all, then run your code. What was that? Okay, I think we're having an error from the get height function there. We need to say Let's try again. Save on. Then the main function. Okay, so here is printed. This is the pre-order and this is the post order. See the difference there? So let's uncomment this and try again. What is this saying there? What is it saying? Check. Save on. Still gets that error there. The main function. So now let's print it and compare the three together. Now, so this is the in order, this is the pre-order, and this is the post order. Thank you for watching, and if you have learned something from this video, please give it some thumbs up. You can make comments, ask a question, suggest what you would like to learn next. Also subscribe for our next videos. Thank you.